Okay, and we're back. Part 3, parts car. 2017 Sportwagen 4Motion with only, believe it or not, 2300,000 kilometers. And unfortunately, because of this car, I had to purchase this one. Because I don't want to go through the body shop to fix the roof, which will not be worth it in my case, right? So I will use all the front parts, and the remaining of the vehicle I will sell after I part it out. So fortunately my camera is on a stand. I will try as best as I can to show you what we are dealing with today. So tires on this one are fairly worn out. I guess this was the set for the winter tires for this person who had the vehicle, and the damage is pretty severe. Like, whole roof has been twisted and hood is busted, fender, headlight. Bumper is savable, I think. Obviously, like, from the inside of the car, you can see what was the cause of the damage. They ran over or they hit some sort of an animal. It's pretty nasty inside. Like, the seats are great and all that, but like glass and like there are traces of the animal's fur, and yeah, so this is it. I will start the car for you guys so you can see that the engine is running, and I will show you the engine reading. Good, and I will start the car. Okay, so let me assemble and let's start. For today's episode, my goal is to disassemble the front part of the vehicle and to transfer it to this one as much as possible. I will try to zoom in. I'm not sure how successful I'll be. And I will need to fix this wire and to replace these connectors. They should be fine on a parts car vehicle. Okay, so I guess we will start with swapping the parts. This will be the first one. Something for a coolant system.
nisam znao kako stvari stoje, ne bih ni lagao. A trebali smo mnogo stvari bolje, mada sad ne bih se pravdao. Evo sad tvrdoglavi nas dvoje, čemu se nadamo? Imali smo najbolje, a tražili smo bolje, jedno drugo predugovaramo. I kad bi barem ovog časa ostao bez glasa, da prećutim sve sa srca, što ga tako para. I kad te budu kupili, kad te budu ljubili, to neće biti taj žar. I kad ti budu pjevali, ako budu s tobom plesali, mi tragu vremenu smo znaj. Ostaci ljubavi po ćoškovima sobe, proviruje u stan. Čaršaf je na podu, tu su zamotane laži, svoj ključ stavljam ti na dlan. Dijalog mučan, mi smo okupani znojem, pitaš me šta radimo. Odlazim u sumrak razlivene boje, dok razumom vladamo. I kad te budu kupili, kad te budu ljubili, to neće biti taj žar. I kad ti budu pjevali, ako budu s tobom plesali, mi tragu vremenu smo znaj.
Tvoja figura laku pljuvačku na usta.
Okay guys, so I just wanna guide you really quickly what am I dealing here with. I guess these both connectors are damaged and few wires on them as well are messed up. The car still hasn't started. Today we managed to replace this pipe here. We replaced as well thermostat and this inlet, or I guess coolant pipe from the, what's it called, like the air something valve, whatever, replaced. I guess the next step would be to measure these rad supports so we can see how much. I think this one is a little bit pushed away, it's a little bit off, but other than that I think the work here is pretty much done. In front, now the next step would be to bring the radiator and the red support, but first I need to get my hands on a scanner, scan this, and then to go from there. Parts car disassembled. Hopefully I'll be able to start it and to take it out, because I need to put the Beamer back in the garage because the Beamer is convertible. I guess in episode number 4 we will continue to work on our vehicle and to try to start it and to repair this wiring issue. Progress, I'm pretty much satisfied like how we're rolling with this. I need to put a parts list and to order the parts. I'm still debating if I should, let me show you guys, if I should try to, there's a crack here as well, like so many cracks in this headlight. Like there's one underneath. Okay, so it's cracked here. It's cracked here where my finger is. So both tabs are broken. In my opinion, it's salvageable, but like, am I going to spend more money to fix it than what's the then what's the price of the new one? Thank you everyone for watching, for being a part of journey, our Volkswagen journey. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe. See you in part 4 where we will be continue working on this baby. Okay, over and out.